Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's breakdown, I will be showing you guys potential setups I will be looking forward for this week. So let's go over to the chart. So over here at gold, right, I can be able to determine that gold is clearly bearish using this trend line here. You're able to denote that price came, reacted from this trend line, reacted from this one, and currently is reacting from this level. So I'm expecting that price pulls back, reacts again, and then continue to come bearish here at gold. So what I'm actually looking at here, let's go over to like the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so on the 1 hour time frame here, let me take this out. So the 1 hour time frame here, we will establish this market structure shift that happened last week, which seemed to denote that yes, the market is clearly was bearish. And like I said, I was expecting that price possibly push over to this trend line here and then a potential sell. So note, I'm not really taking a direct sell, so I'll be expecting a potential market structure shift first, right? So if I say market structure shift, my inducement, and I'll just enter the other block or the breaker block towards this area here. So that's on gold. So moving over on here on BTC, right? So let's go to the daily time frame over here, right here. We're going to determine that now BTC is bearish, right? So if you look at it, that now people will be like, okay, BTC came here and broke out of this trend line here and potential buys to the upside. But like if you go over to like the 4 hours time frame right here, be able to see that price broke out of this trend line here, right here, right? And at this trend line right here, you to determine that the trend is no more bullish, but it's now bearish. And now on the 30 minutes time frame, right? So 30 minutes time frame, that's where we enter this trade. I basically spotted out this market structure shift that happened right here, right? So price came and took out this low, forming this MSS, so you can see here. So this is the potential liquidity. So therefore, I will to determine that this level here is some sort of like a trend line liquidity, right? So I'm expecting that more buys to the upside, and then price reacts from here, and potential sales to the downside. So that is that on the BTC. So gold and bearish, BTC and bearish, right? Yeah. So on USDJPY, right here, I am clearly bullish on USJPY, and these are my facts here. On the daily time frame here, we're able to establish that the trend is bullish, right? The trend is bullish. You can see that price came into this trend line here, reacted from this level, reacted here, reacted here, and now currently is reacting from this level here. So expecting bullish bias. So let's go back to the 2 hours time frame. You're going to see that I spelled out this market structure shift that occurred here, right? Price came to take out this recent higher low right here and formed a market structure shift, as you can see here. I see this market structure shift formed right here. I noted that. So I note this inducement right here. This was the inducement here. So what I'm expecting is that price should dip into this level right here. So I won't be entering aggressively here. Why? Because it's at the 2 hours time frame. My 2 hours time frame is really as my higher time frame too. So I'll go over to like 30 minutes to identify the potential market structure shift. Right, then it's an inducement, enter from the other block and target this high or potential this breaker here. So that's where we targeted for the buys on USJPY. Guys, that'll be all for now. Right, so this is my weekly outlook. If you want more breakdown like this, subscribe, stay consistent with your analysis. I will be updating setups during this week as price develops. Yeah, bye guys.